ruined it.
Alright, today me and Jake are gonna paint some squishies. That's what this is called. Not a squishy, but a squish me.
They don't get the copyright.
This is the knockoff brand. So I called dibs on the little octopus. So Jake's either gonna paint a shark or a star.
I'm gonna do the star. The
Okay.
starfish.
I mean, like Patrick star.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh, these are like way smaller than I thought they'd be.
That's what she said.
Oh. Wow, okay. They give you instructions with some color combos.
How is this supposed to work?
I don't know, like...
Oh, they're squishy already.
Yeah, they're squishy at least. But, oh my goodness.
They give you like no paint.
Yeah, because they're cheap. There's like 2 white puff paints here, and then a paintbrush and a foam brush.
What is this for?
If you squeeze it, like I guess like white puff paint comes out. This gives me like Princess Jellyfish vibes, so I love it. You have no idea what I'm probably talking about. It's like anime love. I don't know what color to do. Let me see the color thing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You can do teal or purple. What are you doing?
Pink.
Pink, the basic starfish color.
Oh god.
Yeah, like you pretty much used up all the pink paint.
Oh, really?
Yeah, pretty much. Don't use like too much because I want to like give my octopus like blush or something.
Too late.
Well, there's still some in there. I'm like indecisive what color to do. Great, I can't even mix pink and purple together because you have all the pink. I'll just do purple. No, I probably should just use the foam thing. It's probably faster, but...
It is faster. This is easy because all I have to do is just fill it in.
Yeah.
Small little pink.
Oh no, we can do it for the back.
I'll leave it white.
Are you really?
I don't know.
I know, what if I don't have enough purple for the octopus? Like...
I got some of it. Not enough of it though.
No, this is like too purple. I feel like you won't see his face at all when I try to... I think this is only $5.
This isn't gonna work at all.
Are you trying to do Patrick Star, like pants?
Yeah.
I know, you probably need like a bunch of layers. Or you should just not even paint that part pink. If that's what you
You
want.
know what? Yeah, I don't...
You should have just left it white.
Yeah, you're probably right. Oh well. It'll still look good.
Are you gonna try to do the purple flowers too?
I can't.
Why?
It's too hard and too advanced.
It looks so vibrant on the camera compared to like really.
Does it?
Yeah, see?
Oh wow. He's not gonna have much feet, but you know.
Oh yeah.
It'll do.
Show lots of little pink. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like you just took too much paint because like I have like a lot of purple left and I'm almost done with this.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like you just like blobbed it on a lot and that's why you ran out.
He kind of was blobbed on, but I don't know. I forget what. What color are the stars on his pants?
Yeah, they're purple.
Are they purple?
Mhm.
Okay.
have to leave like his little like inside like white. I'm not sure.
And with all the paint being wet, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not like blending together or anything.
Yeah. Damn.
I guess I can leave the bottom white because I think octopuses would have like, you know, different colored undersides or something.
Mm. Oh no.
What?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Why did you just wait to use the little brush? Now you just got blocked. Just wipe it off while you can.
I ruined it. I wasn't patient and waited.
Yeah, you should have.
Can I just use this?
I mean, for the if you want like white eyes or something.
I do want white eyes. He's gonna look so confused.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's coffee paint, so it'll look all textured or something.
Oh really?
That's what it said on the instructions.
I don't need that.
I
I
know.
want the black. What if I just wing it?
Well, I'll give it to you. Let me just finish his smile.
But I want to wing it.
Okay.
Ah, good enough.
Oh my gosh. I'll have to shut up the camera.
Hold on.
Well, I want to use the pink,
I want to use the black real quick before
Hang
you
on.
change it.
Here, I'll just do it on the other side. Oh crap, it's probably gonna blend together now. Ooh, I think I got it. Hang on. Oh crap, I have to use my right hand on this side. Oh my gosh, that's scary now.
He doesn't know what to do. This turned out so weird. I mean, for me, this is pretty good. Should I wait for him to dry? Oh no.
Oh my gosh, hang on.
Should I wait for him to dry or like? 'Cause I don't want him to just fall apart.
I don't know, like, what happens with puppy paint right now.
He has a little bit of a black eye too.
A black eye, yeah, because of the purple.
We'll pretend SpongeBob punched him
Oh
over
my-
something. Ah,
Are you trying to show it to the camera?
no, I want to get the back of it.
Oh my gosh.
I want to get his back. But he's going to be all different colors on the back. I think we're out of pink officially.
Probably.
Oh yeah, he's going to be a bunch of different colors on the back.
Okay, I think his face turned out cute.
Yeah, you turned out good.
Here's my little octopus. Wait until you see Jake's star face. I'll have to show it.
Ah, he messed up.
Oh no, you totally took off his eye.
Dang it. Well,
You should have been patient.
patience is key, but not in this case.
Oh my gosh.
I need more paper towels. Hold on, he's not done. I messed him up.
Yep.
I messed him up. You little boop. Oh man, he's even
I
worse
just
than he
wish
was
he wasn't.
before. He's worse than he
Oh
was
my
before.
gosh.
So
I
bad.
tried. I just wish mine wasn't so dark purple. Like if I had that pink to work with, it would have looked a lot cuter. But because you can't really see his face too good.
But Patrick's pink, so I needed the pink.
Yeah, but you used all of it. Like look how
Oh yeah, Patrick's a
little
big
I
dude.
used. Look how little I used, and then you used like all of
Well,
it.
Patrick's a big guy,
Oh.
you know. you gotta,
Oh my
you
god.
gotta cover everything up, you know. I don't know. I tried.
Okay, here is the final products. Mine is just really dark purple, but other than that, I actually liked how the face turned out, if you can see it good. And then there's Jake's Patrick store.
Yeah, his mouth is a little contorted.
I know. If the face didn't get messed up, I think actually would turn out pretty decent.
Yeah. I still think it's pretty decent.
Well, thank you for joining our craft time with our octopus and starfish squishy painting. And,
incredible.
Oh yes, very artistic. Robert Pacasas over here. So, yeah, thank you for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!